Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for mid-July 2021. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, and this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Alright, so if this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Plus I will be doing your Sun, Venus, Rising and Venus sign. So if one sign does not resonate with you, you can check your another sign as well. Alright, let's get started with my Sagittarius, please. Sagittarius, mid-July 2021. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. The obstacle for you this in the middle month is the Sun. And the overall energy for you is 4 of Cups. Okay. Okay, Sun energy. So yeah, so see, you might be in the middle where you would be celebrating some kind of success in your life, where you really want. Okay, so what you really want is you want to be perfect. You want to be perfect in everything. You want to be a very good decision maker, which you already are. But somewhere you really feel that that obstacle, that joy, that happiness is actually missing in deep down in your heart. For some of you it's like that, some kind of an obstacle. For some of you, your father can be an obstacle in your work. For some of you, or in a relationship matter, because the Sun denotes fatherly figure, or I really feel Sun is more like a father. And for some of you it can also mean some decision making which will be in the middle of something, like you might not be able to take a decision and you might be really afraid to take a decision. When a decision is actually required to take, you might be not able to take that decision. So for some of you that can be a thing. We will clarify it. The 4 of Cups has come up in your overall energy. So you might be feeling very unhappy. When we start failing to recognize an opportunity coming towards us, you start feeling that no, this is not meant for me, because you might be feeling a little lazy in the overall energy. Okay, when we really think that everything is negative around us, and that is why when the things are not actually negative, it's you who start to feel things are negative. This can be with your person as well. So you or your person can be feeling neglected, or might be feeling that you are rejecting somebody, or you are getting rejected by somebody. That is a feeling of not being very strong. This is not a very strong feeling. So what the universe wants to tell you about the situation, the hidden things. 3 of Cups is here. So 3 of Cups is telling us that whatever the thing is, do not wait for a perfect moment to be happy. Whatever the situation is in which you are, things will come. So ups and downs will always come. These are temporary. These things will happen in your life. Just find small events, some joyful events or some joyful moments in your life with whom you can celebrate it. Your family, your friends, it can be anyone. The dreamer, just take a leap of faith, just try new things, trust yourself, just start again in life. That is what the universe wants to tell you. Release the negative. So this is more of a releasing energy. So if you really want to end some situations in your life, just release those. Okay, just come towards the ending. So this is a death energy. So when we release something, then only our new transformation comes. Then only we start something new. So this is what the universe wants to tell you. And with the 5 of Wands, walk away from the drama which is going on in your life. The Strength energy, you really need some strength. You really need some personal power or personal strength, I would say inner strength, which you might be needing for your work or in a relationship. Okay, so let's see the past energies with the Page of Cups, 9 of Cups and the 10 of Pentacles. So in the past, there was a message which came towards you. It can be a proposal, it can be a message to start something new, it can be a new or an emotional experience you might be going through. Basically this is more, it tells us more about some romantic situations, or you might be, you know, somebody wanted you to come towards them, and that happened. Basically a wish actually fulfilled. It might be your wish. You were like, you know, when we like someone and we really want that person to call us, and that is how the person really talk to you. They come and talk to you. So this kind of a thing might have happened with you, and it went really good because the 10 of Pentacles is also here. So it's like a new wish, basically a wish fulfillment energy. Your wishes came true, your dreams came true. Whatever you asked, it was given by the universe. In the present, we have the 9 of Wands, the Star, and the 3 of Wands. All right, but there is a sudden, you know, sudden protective energies which came around you. Basically it can be your person who has started feeling very neglected, or who has started feeling protective towards you. It can be that situation as well. Because with the 4 of Cups also in your energy, it can be you. See, it can be both of you. When we start seeing the negatives around us, whatever the positive will come, whosoever will come, you know, the universe will help you, the people will come out towards you, they would want to help you, but we start seeing the negatives only. So that is why some protective energies have come up. So this can be your energy as well as your person's energy. So out of you both, one has either, you know, this is more like a blocking energy, that one person has blocked and the other person is like literally calling and messaging, like please talk to me at least. You know, it's like one person is waiting for the other person to call, but the other person has blocked. Basically what is happening, one person is calling and calling and calling, and they are also waiting that if my call is not going over there, so at least call me back, at least do something. But the other person is like, no, you know, this is like rigid no which is coming up from the other person's end. In the coming future, we have the 9 of Swords, King of Cups, and the 8 of Pentacles. I don't feel that other person is very happy like being in this state, where this is more like a depressing state, anxiety state, where we just start fearing about something which is not even going to happen, something worse basically. The other person is trying to connect. See, the King of Cups, this can be you, Sagittarius. You really want to connect to your person, you want to talk to them, you are really working, you are trying to figure out what the situation was, what exactly happened, why the things are happening this way. You were so good, everything was perfect, why have you become like that? You really want some answers. Let's clarify. Okay. I want to check the Sun energy. Why this obstacle is the Sun? Tell me more about the Sun energy, please. 7 of Wands, 9 of Wands, and Judgment. So one person has come into a realization of blocking, like I should block this person, I don't know why, but this person has started feeling very negative. They have started protecting their area, their, you know, the protection, the zone, they have started protecting that. I don't know why the things have happened this way, but might be some ego issues for some of you. But for some of you, it's more than ego issue. It is more like, you know, I cannot stand here, basically. That you have your own life, I have my own life, I cannot be with you, I cannot be with your family. So for some of you, it can be a family issue as well. Your family is a problem to me, you are not a problem, your family is, or something else, some third situation, some third thing is not you. It's more like some other thing which is making some problems. Okay, so that tell me more about the 4 of Cups in the overall energy. 10 of Wands, the Chariot, and 3 of Wands. So yes, there is a strong fearing energies, tired energies which are coming up. So one person wants to move on, one person is waiting, like at least talk to me, I will tell you, we will just discuss it. But the other person is like, no, I cannot be in the same situation. See, I'm not going to see the past energies, although they really look promising in the past. Let me just clarify once. Why the things happen in the present? What actually made the past energies happen? So what exactly happened in the past which made the present like this? Tell me more about it. Nine of Swords, Seven of Swords, and the Sun again. It can be some betrayal from another end. It might be like, or this might be just a illusion. It can be just an unfound fear, I would say. You know, when the knight, because it has come up with the Nine of Swords with the Seven of Wands, that Seven of Swords, that your person might have a doubt where they are like more very possessive towards you, and they started feeling that you might cheat them. You know, that might be just a fear, because I really feel that, you know, when we have lack of self confidence in ourselves, and we do not trust ourselves, we start finding questions about other person's loyalty. And that can be a situation for some of you, that this person might cheat, my person might go somewhere else, I might not make happy, I might not make them happy, so something like that. I don't know. Okay, so let's see, what is this present energy with the Star? I want to see. Six of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, and Six of Pentacles. Yes, this is what this person, see, the love is not gone. The love is, I really see the same love is there. It's just some fear from the past. This person is ready to move away from you. Okay, they are really ready. They just want to be away. Whatever the situation is, they just want to just get rid of the situation. They just want to go away. They want you to be happy. They want you to get all the happiness of the world, but they do not want to be a part of your life anymore. You are waiting for them. That's not a problem, but it's like, just leave me, just go away, just live your life. That kind of situation is coming. Tell me more about the King of Cups in the future energies. Okay, so we have the Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and Two of Cups. This is a very beautiful couple. So see, they might be behaving like this, but I feel that there is some kind of a promising situation which might be coming your way with the person, because the couple is here, the Queen of Pentacles with the King of Pentacles. So you and your person might discuss this thing, because this is a maturity situation, or your parents or their parent, or her or his parents, whosoever you are dealing with, so their parents can also be a part of this thing, and somebody mature will help you out in the situation in which you are dealing with. Somebody who can talk to them as well as you, you know, somebody mutual in this situation, because this is a soulmate connection. This person is not meant to leave you, to be very honest, Sagittarius. Tell me more about the Eight of Pentacles, please. Knight of Cups, Justice, and Five of Pentacles. See, it's more like something injustice is happening, because with the Five of Pentacles and the Justice, it's more like injustice is happening. It's not meant to happen. It's just happening because of some low energies right now from your other person's end. You really want to work on this. They do not want to work. So you really need to ask help from someone who might help you both in the situation. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Sagittarius. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.